Hi, I'm going to talk to you about two games that I just invented and I put up on my Bitmoji classroom. The first is a match game. You drag the cards, see if you get that match. There's Roller Coaster, he's worth 2 points. There's Zooey the Zoo, oh, that's not a match. But there's a twist to this game. First of all, it stars all of our favorite characters from Mr. Andrew's card game Season 2. But second of all, common cards like Roller Coaster are easier to match than rare cards like Zooey the Zoo. So if you get a Roller Coaster match, you're only going to get 2 points. But there are actually 4 pairs of Roller Coasters, where there's only going to be 3 pairs of Zooey the Zoo. And there's only 1 pair of the 10-point Ultra Legendary Special Edition Axolotl. Oh, look, I just got a match. Roller Coaster, that's 2 points. I'm going to have to add that up on my scorecard. Zoom in just to make sure. Yeah, 2 points. Okay, now, when you want to play, you can drag the cards. When you drag the cards, you put them in that place top card here. Now, if you don't get a match, you place the cards back. You can either press the arrow back, or you can just drag them back in place. You keep score on a piece of paper and you see who has the most points by the end of the game. There are 56 cards in total. That means you can make 28 matches. You can also scroll to the right or to the left to get a close-up of the cards, because there are 2 of them that are pretty hard to see, I find. That's Where Are Hues and Who Are Hues, the 2 question marks. So you zoom to the side, you'll be able to see how many points they're worth. Those guys are actually ultra rare. 9 points and 8 points. So I hope you can have fun with this game. I'm going to actually show you another way to play it later. And now my second game. It's a maze, but again, with a twist. I tried to find a pretty difficult maze to really challenge us. So I did. But it was really hard. And I don't want this just to be a time-wasting activity. So what I did is I have a little bit of help. What is that help? Well, as you can see, I placed some numbers at all the different intersections where you have to make a choice. And I have the correct and incorrectly spelled version of those numbers. Spell the words correctly, you'll get the right path, and you'll get to the end. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to show you a different way to play the match game. If you're more old school, you can print up all 56 of the Mr. Andrew match card games. They're in a Word document and I put it on my website. I even got the back logo over here you can print up. If you're very motivated, you can laminate them, stick them all together, and then you'll have a game like this. Look at this. Looks great. I have 56 cards laid out in 4 or 5 lines here. It takes up quite a bit of my table. And that is the other side of the cards. As you can see, there are tons of Terry triangles in there, but there aren't very many axolotls, just 2. So if you get one of the common matches, you'll only get 1, 2, 3 points, but you'll get a lot more of them. Anyway, try them out. The links are in the video.